Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Plantai, Identifier and Diagnosis app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Plantai is an AI-powered plant identification and diagnosis app developed to help gardeners, plant enthusiasts, and professionals quickly identify plant species and diagnose common plant health issues. The app allows users to upload photos of plants to receive instant identification, detailed care instructions, and possible diagnoses of diseases or pests. It also offers treatment recommendations to help users maintain healthy plants. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users find Plantai's identification features accurate and its diagnosis tools helpful for spotting plant problems early. The app's user-friendly interface makes it accessible even to beginners, and the detailed plant care guidance adds value beyond simple identification. However, some users report occasional inaccuracies in identification or diagnosis, especially with less common plants. Premium features, including unlimited scans and advanced diagnostics, require a subscription, which may not be suitable for casual users. In summary, the Plantai app may be worth using if you want a fast, AI-powered tool to identify plants and diagnose common plant issues, especially if you're serious about plant care. However, if you need highly precise results or prefer free apps, this might not fully meet your expectations. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.